Albert is a financial app that offers cash advances up to $250, making it a popular choice for those needing quick access to funds. The service integrates seamlessly with your existing bank account and analyzes your spending patterns to determine your eligibility for instant cash advances without requiring a traditional credit check. Unlike traditional payday loans, Albert's cash advance feature comes with zero interest charges and no mandatory fees, though optional tips are encouraged. The platform uses sophisticated algorithms to evaluate your banking history, income stability, and spending patterns to determine your eligibility, making it accessible even to those with less than perfect credit scores. The app's cash advance service works alongside other Albert features like automated savings, investment options, and financial guidance, creating a comprehensive financial wellness platform. Users can receive their cash advance instantly through their Albert Cash account or opt for standard bank transfer, which typically processes within 2 to 3 business days. To qualify for Albert Cash Advance, users must maintain an active checking account with regular direct deposits for at least 2 months. The app requires a minimum monthly income of $500 through direct deposits and checks for consistent income patterns to establish reliability. Your account must also show positive balance maintenance and minimal overdraft incidents. Employment verification is part of the eligibility process, but Albert accepts various income sources, including traditional employment, gig economy work, and government benefits. The app evaluates your spending habits and account balance patterns over time, gradually increasing your cash advance limit based on your financial behavior. Security requirements include valid identification, an active phone number for verification, and enabling two-factor authentication for account protection. Users must also maintain their Albert Cash account in good standing, meaning no negative balances or unresolved issues from previous advances. New users typically start with access to smaller advance amounts, usually between $25 and $100, depending on their income and banking history. As users build a positive history with Albert by repaying advances and maintaining stable account activity, their maximum advance limit can increase up to $250. The advance amount offered is dynamic and adjusts based on factors like your upcoming direct deposits, average account balance, and spending patterns. Albert's algorithm evaluates these factors in real time, meaning your available advance amount might fluctuate throughout the month based on your financial activity. The platform implements a graduated increase system, where consistent positive usage over 3 to 6 months can lead to higher advance limits. However, the maximum limit remains capped at $250, maintaining Albert's position as a short-term, small-dollar advance solution rather than a large-scale lending platform. Albert Cash Advance stands out for its no-interest, no mandatory fee structure. While the service suggests optional tips, typically between 0 to 20% of the advance amount, users can choose to tip nothing without affecting their ability to receive future advances. The only potential fees come from expedited transfer options if users choose instant delivery to their debit cards. Repayment is automatically scheduled to align with your next direct deposit, ensuring a seamless repayment process. Users can also choose to repay manually before their due date without any prepayment penalties. The app sends reminder notifications as the repayment date approaches to help users maintain good standing. The platform offers flexibility in repayment scheduling, allowing users to adjust their repayment date if their direct deposit schedule changes. However, failing to repay an advance on time can result in temporary suspension of the cash advance feature and may affect future advance limits. The application process begins with downloading the Albert app and completing a basic registration with your personal information and bank account details. The app uses Plaid technology to securely connect to your bank account, allowing for safe and encrypted data transfer during the verification process. Once your bank account is linked, Albert analyzes your financial data for up to 24 hours to determine your initial cash advance eligibility and limit. The verification process includes confirming your identity, validating your income sources, and reviewing your banking history for consistent direct deposits and account management. After approval, users can request cash advances directly through the app with a few taps. The interface clearly displays your available advance amount, repayment date, and any optional tip selections. Approved advances can be delivered instantly to your Albert Cash account or transferred to your linked bank account. Instant transfer options allow users to receive their cash advance within minutes through their Albert Cash account or linked debit card, though this may incur a small fee for external debit card transfers. This option is ideal for emergency situations where immediate access to funds is crucial. Standard bank transfers are completely free, but typically take 2 to 3 business days to process through the ACH network. These transfers are processed automatically, and users receive notifications at each stage of the transfer process. The choice between instant and standard transfer depends on your urgency and willingness to pay additional fees. Albert also offers a free Albert Cash debit card that provides instant access to cash advances without additional transfer fees. The card can be used anywhere MasterCard is accepted and includes features like cashback rewards and ATM access, making it a convenient option for regular users. Albert employs bank-level encryption and security measures to protect user data and financial information. The platform uses Secure Socket Layer (SSL) technology for all data transfers and maintains compliance with financial industry regulations regarding data protection and privacy. Two-factor authentication is mandatory for all accounts, adding an extra layer of security for cash advance requests and account changes. The app also includes real-time fraud monitoring and suspicious activity alerts to protect users from unauthorized access or transactions. Regular security audits and updates ensure the platform maintains current security standards. Users receive immediate notifications for any account activity, including cash advance requests, transfers, and repayments, allowing for quick response to any unauthorized actions. Albert provides multiple support channels, including in-app chat, email support, and an extensive FAQ section covering common questions about cash advances. Response times for support queries typically range from a few minutes for basic issues to 24 hours for more complex concerns. The app includes educational resources and financial tips to help users better manage their money and reduce reliance on cash advances. These resources cover topics like budgeting, saving strategies, and improving financial health, demonstrating Albert's commitment to user financial wellness. Dedicated support teams are available to assist with specific issues related to cash advances, including repayment adjustments, transfer problems, and eligibility questions. The support system maintains detailed records of user interactions to ensure consistent and personalized assistance. The major advantages of Albert Cash Advance include no interest charges, no mandatory fees, and quick access to funds without credit checks. The service integrates well with other financial tools within the Albert app, providing a comprehensive money management solution. The graduated advance limit system encourages responsible usage and financial stability. Limitations include the relatively small maximum advance amount of $250, which may not be sufficient for larger financial needs. The requirement for regular direct deposits and account history may exclude some potential users, and the optional tip system might make some users feel obligated to pay extra for the service. The platform's reliance on banking history and direct deposits for eligibility can be both a strength and weakness. While it ensures responsible lending, it may not help those with irregular income or alternative banking arrangements. The instant transfer fees, while optional, can add to the cost for users who need immediate access to funds. Traditional payday loans typically charge significantly higher fees and interest rates compared to Albert's no-interest advances, but they often offer larger loan amounts and may have less stringent eligibility requirements. Credit card cash advances provide higher limits, but come with high interest rates and additional fees. Other fintech apps like Earnin and Dave offer similar cash advance services with varying limits and fee structures. Some apps focus on specific user groups like gig economy workers or offer additional features like bill negotiation or investment options. Understanding these alternatives helps users choose the best option for their specific needs. Employer-based earned wage access programs and traditional bank overdraft protection are other alternatives worth considering. Each option has its own set of requirements, costs, and benefits that should be evaluated based on individual financial situations and needs. Albert's combination of no mandatory fees and integrated financial tools makes it a competitive choice for many users.